Hi everybody, Mars here, the golf professional at Southwick Park Golf Club. I've tried all week to make a video. It's been too busy. I've gone out to about 3 or 4 different holes, loads of people playing golf. Can't complain about that, can I? It's what we're here for, and it's nice to see the place busy. So following on from playing a hole with a sand wedge, someone said to me the other day, yeah, but I bet you can't do it with a putter. I want to stop making these videos where I'm trying to play holes with one club because anyway, I'm going to do it. I've got no time. It's 6:30 on Tuesday morning. It's now or never. So let's go. Putter's got 3 degrees of loft, so I could get one off the tee. After that, it's going to be hard work. On the par 5 13th, 470, we're off. Whoa, that's a powerful little cut. Right, so because I'm out of time, about came up on my social media feed. I think it was about 8 years ago. I played in the British Speed Golf Championships. Practiced for about 6 months. Saw it on Eurosport. I thought, fancy that. At the time, I was relatively fit. And basically, you hit, you run, and you hit again. So your time ran, which would be, say, an hour, plus your score, which could be anything. And I came in the top 10, which wasn't bad. I tell you what, few of you'd be jealous of this drive. So all I've got to do is navigate the ditch, which could be my challenge. After that, plain sailing. Okay, that was alright, that. Yeah. And all right. And on an early morning jog. Right. Enjoying that. I'm going to wonder what's going on. Fine. Right. Oh, Miles, you little rascal. Not bad. Par chance. Par with the putt would be good. Very good, really. Oh. Come on, Miles. What I did learn about speed golf, if you're going too fast on your shot, you messed it up. Bit like that. Well, I think it's a par 5 in 6 in under 4 minutes. See you all next week. Back to work. So you can see in this swing here that Ian has corrected, back in his position.